So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to find information on a database because it looks a little bit different than just Google. So first of all, I went to the school's website, and once I clicked on for Fairfield Junior Senior High School, maybe I should go back to the beginning and show you exactly what that looks like. I went to our school's website, and then I just went to Fairfield Junior Senior High School over here. And then along the left side, it says library information and services. And then over here still, it says links. And from here, I decided to just try the Inspire. And there's some information here, but I clicked this link and it says as long as it can register that you have an IP address in Indiana, that you shouldn't need a login for this one. So I tried thinking about if the graduation requirements are changing for Indiana, and now students will have to graduate with a pathway completed within a career STEM. And basically, there are so many requirements of credits that they have to take that they have to pick their pathway basically by their sophomore year. Otherwise, they might not graduate in time if they decide to switch and take other classes, which I don't agree with. So I'm going to see what the research says about that. So I'm going to type in college, career, and then I see it says readiness high school. So I'm going to try using that predictive text and see what comes up. So there's a couple of, it has the article title here, and then it tells me what kind this is, like a periodical, a report. There's some subjects, and then it says like full PDF text right there. So you could click that. I want to click on this one and just show you how this looks a little bit different. When I click on the subject line, this page, I'm like, wait a minute, where's the information that I want? I don't see it. It says here availability, full text from this other database. So now I click that, and then it takes me to this page, and I'm still like, wait a minute, I don't see what I'm looking for. Look for download full text as a PDF here. Now I can actually get to the source that I want on this page. I will say that some students in the past were like, oh, yeah, this looks like what I want. And so they put it on their annotated bibliography and they hadn't actually read it. And then when they went to go do their research, they realized, oh, this actually doesn't have any information that I can use. Or some students use Control F and they typed in something like college and career readiness, and then they wanted to see like, oh yeah, okay, so there's like a paragraph or so that actually like talks about that, so it should work. No, actually go through and see if there's information from there that you can use in your research paper. Don't just skim or assume that since it has lots of hits for the keywords that, oh, this is a good article. The more work that you do up front, the less work that you're going to have later on. And we all know how stressful it can be when the deadline is in your face. So you want to make sure that you do that work now. So hopefully that's helpful to you as far as how to find different sources and actually be able to get there and see what you're looking for. I will say that if you're not finding what you're looking for, you should try different keyword searches within the tab search browsers. You can search by author and titles. If you find a really good article, you might be able to find other things that the same author has written that might be of a similar topic. But just keep playing around with it. It's really easy to get frustrated because the first 2-3 terms that you put in there, and then you say, nothing, there's nothing on my topic. Keep looking. Keep trying different phrases, do a little bit of reading, and you might find that there's a different phrase that people are using in that kind of academic world to describe what you're talking about, and then you can search on that and you might get a whole bunch of hits. So let me know if you need any help. Don't give up.